In this video, I'll guide you through how to show screenshots on your Steam profile. If you'd like to share your favorite gaming moments with friends or simply personalize your profile with memorable screenshots, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process in just a few minutes. To get started, open the Steam application on your computer. Once the app launches, click the Login button if you aren't already signed in. Enter your account name and password carefully, then click Sign In to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, you can use Steam's account recovery options before continuing. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll arrive at your Steam homepage. From here, look toward the top left corner of the Steam window and click on the Steam menu. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Select Settings to open Steam's configuration window. Along the left side of this window, you'll see a variety of categories. Click on the In-Game section, since this is where Steam's screenshot settings are managed. Inside the in-game settings, locate the option for the screenshot shortcut key. This is the keyboard shortcut you'll use whenever you want to capture a screenshot while playing a game. If the default shortcut isn't convenient for you, you can change it to another key combination that better fits your preferences. Choosing a shortcut that's easy to remember can make capturing important moments much more convenient. Next, scroll down until you find the External Screenshots folder option. This determines where Steam saves your screenshots on your computer. If you'd like your screenshots stored in a different location, click Change Folder and select a destination that works best for you. This can make it easier to organize or back up your images later. Before leaving the settings window, take a moment to review your screenshot configuration and make sure everything is set up the way you want. Having the correct settings in place helps ensure your screenshots are captured and saved without any issues. Now you're ready to start taking screenshots while you play. Simply use your chosen shortcut key during gameplay, and Steam will save each image to the folder you selected. After your gaming session, you'll be able to review those screenshots whenever you'd like. Finally, if you want those screenshots to appear on your Steam profile, head over to your profile and choose the option to upload your screenshots. Once they're uploaded, they'll become visible on your profile for friends and other Steam users to view. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sharing your best gaming moments on Steam.